Hello student, this is Savita Pawar and welcome to my channel Get the Math. I hope you all are fine with your health. I am making videos on ICSE 10th Maths course covering the course from R.S. Agarwal. In this video, you will get the knowledge of the paper style and the weightage of marks per lesson and also the reduced course of 2022. So this is your paper style. 20 plus 80 is 100 marks. This 20 marks is in the school's hand and 80 marks paper that you have to solve. So this 20 marks is very easy to score. It depends on your behavior, conductivity in class, discipline and attendance, class test marks. So if you are at best in all of this, then you can score very easily 18 to 20 marks. Okay, so be the best at this. Now let us see about the 80 marks paper style. So you have two sections to solve, section A and section B. Each section is of 40 marks. In section A, there are 4 questions and all the questions are compulsory to solve. Each question will have sub questions. Either there will be 4 sub questions, so the marks will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, or there will be 3 sub questions like A, B, C, then the marks will be 3, 3 and 4. So for each question there will be sub questions and the whole question will be of 10 marks. So all these 4 questions you have to solve. Okay, that is section A. Section B, it is also of 40 marks, but here you have option out of 7 you have to solve 4 questions. So the pattern of question marks is as the same of section A. So now here you have to see which question you can solve and which lesson you are very confident of to solve it properly. So that question you can solve. Here the questions are the solutions are little bit lengthy, like construction work, graph and then some numericals, lengthy numericals. Okay, so this question needs a little bit more time than section A. In section A there are some easy questions, but section B has some tough questions and you need to give more time to your section B. Your whole paper is of 2.5 marks, so at least in 1 hour you should complete your section A, and section B will require nearly 1 hour and 15 minutes, and the rest of the 15 minutes you can check out your paper or the question you have not answered. You can give time to that question. So this is all about your paper style, section A and section B, each of 40 marks. Section A, all questions are compulsory, and section B, out of 7 you have to solve any 4 questions. Okay, now here it is chapters and marks of each chapter. Lesson 1, 2 and 3, that is called as the commercial mathematics. First is GST, second is banking and third is shares and dividend. Lesson first, 2 questions can be asked, each of 3 marks. Banking, 1 question of 3 marks. Shares and dividend, 2 questions of 3 or 4 marks. Now from shares and dividend most of the questions are not been asked here. Then from lesson 4 to lesson 11 is algebra. Lesson 4 is linear inequations. 1 question can be asked for 3 to 4 marks. Then quadratic equations in 1 variable, 3 questions can be asked for 7 to 10 marks. Okay, problems on quadratic equations, 1 question of 4 marks, word problem. Then ratio and proportion, 2 questions, nearly 6 to 7 marks. Remainder and factor theorem, 2 questions, 6 to 7 marks. Matrices, 2 questions for 7 to 8 marks. Arithmetic progressions, 2 questions for 6 to 7 marks. And lesson 11 is omitted now, geometric progression. You will have to study this in 11th standard now. It is omitted from 10th standard. So from lesson 4 to lesson 10, so these are the marks per lesson. Now in this section, this quadratic equation or linear inequations, all these lessons are very easy. Matrices is very easy. Arithmetic progression is also very easy. Only 2, 3 formulas are there and it is all dependent on the formula. So if you practice these lessons properly, you can score very easily these marks. Okay. Then from 12 to 14 is reflection. It is called as coordinate geometry. 12th lesson is reflection, 13 is section and midpoint formula, and 14th is equation of a straight line. So here from reflection, one question for 4 marks, section and midpoint formula, one question for 3 marks, and equation of a straight line, then it will be one question of 6 marks. So this is all about 13 to 15 marks lesson will constitute for these three lessons. These are interrelated chapters, okay. So you have to work hard for these lessons. Then from lesson 15 onwards it is geometry. So 15 and 16 are similarity. So one question for 3 to 4 marks can be asked. 17th lesson is loci, that is omitted. 18th and 19th is circles, right. So 2 to 3 questions for 7 to 10 marks can be asked, that is tangent, dependent on the tangent and secant, chord, okay. Then construction of circle is there, lesson 20, construction can be asked for 4 marks. Lesson 21 is about area, surface area and volume of cylinder, cone and sphere, that is mensuration. So 3 questions for 7 to 10 marks can be asked. Trigonometry 22 and 23, 2 lessons are included in trigonometry. 22 is trigonometrical identities, 2 questions for 6 marks can be asked, and 23 is height and distance, 1 question word problem for 4 marks can be asked from this lesson, okay. So these two are also interrelated chapters, okay. So these are quite new to you, so if you but very easy if you just remember the formulas and the values. These are very easy chapters, so if you work hard on these you can score 10 marks very easily. Then statistics, graphical representation of statistical data, that is histogram and ogive is there. Then mean, median and mode. So only 3 formulas for mean, and here the calculation should be done properly. If you do the calculation properly, then you will get the correct answer. So then median and mode is there. So from these 3 lessons 2 to 3 questions for 13 to 15 marks can be asked. And last is the probability, very easy lesson, 1 question for 3 to 4 marks can be asked. So this is about your weightage of marks per lesson, okay. So this goods and tax, little bit tricky questions will be there for banking and all this, but algebra section is quite easy from 4th lesson to 10th lesson. So these marks you can score very easily, and these lessons from 12 onwards needs little bit practice. These are quite new to you, so these lessons need lot of practice, okay. Now this is your Council for the Indian School Certificate, ICSE. You can go to CICSE.org, okay, and you can click on to the mathematics. So this is your reduced syllabus for ICSE year 2022 examination. So this is about maths paper. Here it is written, section 1 will consist of compulsory short questions, and section 2 candidates will be required to answer 4 out of 7. So this is commercial mathematics, GST, banking, okay. What can be asked, that you can go through this. Then there is algebra, okay. Here lesson 3 has been omitted here after banking. Which lesson was there after banking? It was shares and dividend, so that lesson is omitted for 2022. Then algebra, then it is linear inequations, okay. So this is algebra, linear inequations. Then quadratic equations, this is lesson 7.5c I think. So solving quadratic equation by factorization and this using formula, and simple problems, word problems on quadratic equations. So all these are very easy. You can go through my video in the playlist. So ratio and proportion, and here factorization of polynomials, here fx not to exceed degree 3. So factors the equation will be not be given exceeding degree 3 here. Then matrices, it's a very easy lesson. Matrices, arithmetic progression is there, geometric progression is removed, it is omitted. Then coordinate geometry, it is reflection, okay. Then it is section and midpoint formula and equation of line. Equation of line is a very important chapter. Then comes geometry, similarity, conditions of similarity of triangle, okay. Then here it is circle, angle properties and cyclic properties. But here for this lesson, no proof for the theorem will be asked. Proof of all the theorems are excluded. Only application of the circle theorems in solving the numerical problems are included, okay. So theorems will not be asked to prove. Mensuration here, about area volume, here problems on first term are not included here. Then trigonometry, so here cases involving more than 2 right angle triangles are excluded for trigonometry. So rest all things are included here. Then statistics, this is the mean, 3 formulas for mean, and graphical representation of histogram and less than ogive will be asked, okay. So this is probability, that is the last lesson. It is a very easy chapter, probability of the dices and the coins, all this. So very easy, you can score 3 to 4 marks very easily with this lesson. This is all about your ICSE syllabus, paper style, okay. So please go through this, while it will be helpful for you to study properly and score good marks. If you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Get the math.